Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and in this video, we'll be going over a sample of a model-driven app. So the first thing you want to do is to go to the Power Apps page, which is at make.powerapps.com. Here, it provides you with a lot of options to build business apps. You can start from blank, Dataverse, SharePoint, Excel, SQL, and so on. Let's start by using a template that is already prepared for us. This will give us a better understanding of a model-driven app, like the structure and all the tables of data that are linked together. So we'll be clicking on the Create button on the left side panel, scroll down and look for the templates. As you can see, we have a lot of templates we can choose from. But let's take a look at Innovation Challenge, which is labeled as a model-driven app. Click on Create. Now that we have it loaded, we can look at this page in better detail. So in the center box is the model-driven app view. On the left, you can see the Pages tab currently open. You also have other tabs here, such as Navigation, Data, and Automation. We won't have to worry too much about it as of now. On the right-hand side are the properties that you can edit or change. Depending on what you are selecting, it could be the content type, title, icon, ID, and so on. So let's press the play button on the top right to preview this model-driven app. Okay, so what we're currently viewing right now is a dashboard. The use case we're seeing generally involves gathering ideas and concepts, transforming them into projects, and connecting them with larger business strategies. And this model-driven app has tables that are related to each other, and we want to be able to track all of those things. So this dashboard consists of visually appealing charts and lists of items that make it easy to see what's going on. And this application has 3 tables in it. We have challenges, ideas, and team projects. So if we take a look at challenges, this will show us a view of tables consisting of the name, number of ideas, launch date, accept new ideas, and so on. We can sort however we like or filter by using more advanced features. We can also edit the information on the tables if we wish to. So if we were to double click into one of these challenges, such as the connected operations, at the top here we have a business process flow. And this guides the user across the stages and steps of an end-to-end process that you've made in your business that you want to track, manage, and report on. So, as you can see, we have lots of different fields of information, such as the description and owner. We have a drag and drop with multiple different boxes you can check, like email, Teams, and phone. We have a list of stakeholders and other records, so one challenge may be linked to many contributed ideas, and so on. I'm able to click on one of those ideas and see something similar. For example, if I click on the fleet automation idea, you can see another business process flow at the top here. You can see the visibility of that parent challenge record showing through with read-only fields. Here, you can see the investment required of $50,000. The time to ROI of 12 months, status reason is active, the idea score is 9, and the risk score is 5. Then, the other thing we can do with a business process flow is approve the project stages manually and proceed to the next stage. However, they must meet the set of requirements. And if we look at the Team Projects tab, we will see the list of active team projects. Here we see the fleet automation that we were just on, listing all the relevant information on that. So you can sort of see how the tables and data are linked together through many relationships and how it can be sorted and transformed into a dashboard. As mentioned before, this dashboard is built using these 3 tables: challenges, ideas, and team projects, which is part of the Innovation Challenge model-driven app.